Session 3. Female singular sentences. Female singular sentences. Sita is reading. Sita patati. Girl is writing. Balika likhati. Geeta is running. Geeta dhawati. Lata is playing. Latha khelati. Anita is eating. Anitha khadati. Shweta is speaking. Shweta vadati. Kavita is walking. Kavita chalati. Sunita is singing. Sunita gayati.